Hi, I'm Divya. I'm here on behalf of expertvillage.com. So now let's make some curry. Add some cumin seeds to it. A dash of it should be good. Wait for it to splatter. Smells good. Now add some, actually let it heat for a while, let it cook. And once it's done, we are going to add some cumin seeds. Now let's add some chopped onions to it. This is one chopped onion. It's nice and hot. So we need to simmer it a bit. Very well. Okay. Cook it for a while. Let it turn a little pink. Then it should be done.